Good morning. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning every day. Every morning just after waking up, I do some stretches and some easy exercise. Morning stretching done. So I'm going to drink water. So I'm 25 years old, unemployed, and living with family. I know this was not exactly how I planned my life. I always thought life will be easy after graduation. I'll get job, but it's been 2 long years since I have completed my degree and I am officially unemployed. Being unemployed is not easy. It is scary like a horror movie. Every day you will face expectations and questions. And on top of that, overthinking, anxiety, and depression are serving along. Every day I try to focus on study with utmost consistent and discipline. I know it is hard to stay motivated, but this is only thing I can do right now. Over the time, lots of negativity and outer voices are peeling into my brain. Still, I'm trying to looking at the bright side of my life by adding hobbies. Whenever I feel my negative energy is over exaggerating, I start reading books and journaling. And yeah, both suits my soul and help my positive energy flow back to my body again. Journaling is like sharing your thoughts to someone without worry of being judged, and reading book is like walking around the wall without moving your feet. And furthermore, I love cooking as well. I love to try new dishes and try cooking new dishes, and I serve them to my niece and nephew. It works as therapy. Sometimes being unemployed gets into my nerve and create lots of unnecessary stress and anxiety. At the time, cooking helps me to release stress and anxiety, and it really helps. Eating healthy food boosts your energy and positivity, and it also helps decrease your depression. It's 10:30 and it's time to sleep. Before I go to bed, I'll check my today's daily goal that I have written in my to-do list diary book. So I'll check whether I have completed all my tasks that I have written in the morning. This is the tasks I have written. Okay. I have written 14 tasks on my diary book and I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have completed 9 tasks and I didn't complete 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't complete 5 tasks. That is actually I was a bit lazy after 12 p.m. today and I didn't do my work at the time. Actually, it was set to do after 12 p.m. but I didn't do. I was a bit bored and I was using my mobile phone. Yeah, it is a greatest distraction. Anyways, I'm trying to complete all my tasks that I write on my diary every day. Yeah, there is some and I need to work on myself, work on my consistent, and work on my discipline. This is kind of I have betrayed myself that I didn't complete my tasks. This is bit disappointment from myself. Anyways, I'll forgive myself and next time I'll complete my all tasks that I written on the to-do list diary book. Okay, it is very good to write your tasks on notebook and check it at the night time before you go to sleep. It really helps us to do and organize our work, and it is easy to maintain that work as well. So I will recommend you to do this, list your daily goals. It is very helpful. So I'm ending my video here and see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and healthy and subscribe my channel and share and comment. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye. Good night.